Next, I will be talking about the role of diet. So this you can do it from your side, because sometimes the disease extends beyond your level. Then you need medical intervention, and please do get medical interventions, and do not keep on just keep on neglecting the disease and thinking it will settle. If just do it first from your side, whatever best you can do. But if it is not settling, please don't get delayed and consult your doctors. Visit to us. You can call me, you can talk to me, and get the treatment started. Now, next is the diet I'm going to tell. This is during this time you need to take a lot of water. You need to take a protein rich diet, because the chemicals which are required for the defense mechanism, they are made up of proteins. So we need enough sufficient amount of protein. In case of protein deficiency, we are susceptible for the infections. Okay, so that is the reason. Now, protein diet, we all know the legumes, pulses, eggs and all. Okay, and the next is vitamin A, C, E and antioxidants. So we all know their sources. Like in a nutshell, it is mangoes and pumpkin and carrots, spinach and citrus fruits, amla, oranges. We all know about it. Okay, the one thing which I found interesting, I need to be told, is about the antioxidants. So this antioxidants and free radical, in a layman language I will be explaining, like in a general, कैसे free radicals क्या होते हैं. So when our body is under stress, or then our body releases free radicals, or when we are having the junk food or not having the healthy lifestyle, our body releases free radicals. These free radicals are the harmful chemicals which decreases the functions of all the body parts. And mind you, you know what, that the brain is the single organ which releases maximum number of free radicals. That's why we say ki stay positive, stay happy, because if you are in stress or negative emotions you have, your brain will release lot of free radicals. It's a factory of producing free radicals. So we experience it when we are not feeling well. Our body is we don't have energy, or अंदर से कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा. We soon will start developing acidity, joint pain. सब body के जो parts हैं उनकी functional capacity decrease हो जाती है, because we are not at ease. So that's why it is, now you can correlate it कि why staying happy and at peace is essential for your physical health. So this antioxidants are the chemical which neutralizes free radicals. Okay, so these are called anti-aging and immunity food. So these are with citrus fruits like amla, oranges, lemon, and vitamin A like mango, pumpkins, carrots, vitamin E like sprouts, and you can have vitamin E tablets also, and the nuts and the spinach, copper and zinc. So these you can have. So this will help you in fighting the free radicals. Okay.